So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we delete an account of Snapchat. To know that, firstly go to your Snapchat app. After going to your Snapchat app, you can see the profile option there. Click on profile at the top left corner and go to settings at the top right corner. So, scrolling right down, you can see I need help option. Click on I need help, and going right down you can see my account and security. After going to that, you can see delete my account option. Click on delete my account option, and scrolling right down you can see accounts portal. Click on accounts portal and just type your password and continue, and your account will be deleted. So that's it guys, hope you liked our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.